All right, and we're back. Was not expecting this to arrive, but it came in a little over a month early. You guys can see that part number and what it is. Fox cap. In other words, the dummy cap. So, if we ever cool off here like we're supposed to, I can get out in the garage and swap out the Willie G and the dummy cap for that locking bar shield cap that I got. So, like I said, this wasn't supposed to come in until September 1st, and I was very surprised. I got a phone call Thursday night that it was in, and that was July 26th, I think. 25th or 26th is a Thursday. And it surprised the heck out of me that it was in already. So hopefully it'll cool off a little bit so I could start doing some work, because I got a bunch of stuff in a bottleneck that's ready to be installed that I can make some videos for you guys. So, and I do have some more Ask the Angels coming. I've seen a couple of the girls today, because they don't all work the same, you know, it's not every week the same time. So it takes me 2 to 3 weeks to ask them each the question, and then, you know, once I get them all, I process it. So, all right, with that said, I'll see you guys in the next video. And again, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you want to see how the dummy cap is swapped out. All right, I'll talk to you guys later.